Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today I'm participating in Thrifty Thursday with our host, Turquoise Dreaming by Cherie. Links to her channel will be in my description box below. So I didn't haul too much from the thrift store this week, so I decided to take you along with me on a browse with me, just to check out some of the prices that they have in store and what items they had in my thrift store this week. I hope you enjoy this little tour of my local Salvation Army, my favorite little place to go thrifting. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and baby, it's easy. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That way you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now enjoy the rest of this tour to some music. Now, they did have some very pretty florals in store today, but I decided I didn't like any of the colors that they had, so I left them there for someone else. And although I did love these silver champagne flutes, I thought they were a little bit overpriced at $6.99 for two, and I would have preferred a set of 4. So I left them there for someone else. and I absolutely adored this little silver reindeer. But when I looked at him closely, both of his antlers were broken, so I had to leave him behind. Please make sure to stop by our host channel and show her some love, Miss Cherie at Turquoise Dreaming. And I hope you enjoyed this shop with me. In the end, I only picked up 2 items from the thrift store. I love the shape of this octagon serving tray, and I plan to paint it and do a DIY. And this bowl of wooden fruit. I love the wooden color. I simply gave it a good cleaning and a polishing with some Old English furniture polish, and I think it came out gorgeous. So thank you for watching.